Hey people, and welcome back. Today I thought I'd give you a top tool tip. Who's ever had to cut household wire with a craft knife and end up nipping the insulation as you cut off the bit that you want? Well, there seems to be a better way. I'm going to show you this tool made by Jokari. It's like a yellow submarine. It's a sheath with little blades in here for cutting the insulation off the individual wires. This mouth that cuts the insulation off the wire, and it even has a blade that comes out the back. So this was recommended by a electrician friend. They're not a sponsor in any way, but I'm just going to show you how well it works. So let's do it the old way. Let's just cut off these wires. Get out your craft knife, as we all do, your Stanley knife. Oh, this was a flip Stanley. These are good, actually. Mackenzie. Aha. It's a Stanley knife in a holder that folds down. I really like this. There's a channel on YouTube called South Main Auto, and Eric, who fixes cars there, uses these all the time. And yeah, you know how we like to have product endorsement? Well, I saw Eric using these, and I really like it. But it's unbelievably, let's use a good word, crap at stripping wire. So what you do, of course, at home is you cut the insulation carefully as you can all the way around, and then you break it off and go, oh shit, look, I've actually cut into the copper of the inner cores. Oh man, you know, oh well, who cares? Well, yeah, you do. You should care. And then you end up doing this kind of thing, trying to get the, you know, a craft knife and wiring don't mix. So let's just put this away and cut off this, which is a big mistake by Simon. Not Nipex. Buy yourself a pair of decent Nipex pliers. They're so much, snippers, they're so much better. And let's try this guy, the yellow submarine, the sheath thing. So this end has a mouth, which you put in the wire like this and close it, and close this red tab and twist and pull. Look at that. So perfectly cut, square-ish insulation and no nicks. Just what you want. Open it up, dump the garbage, and then you choose the diameter of the wire. Oh, it's the cat. Put it in here. These little ones, you see how they come with different sizes? And then pull this. Look at that. Just really great. Oh, electricians are probably turning in their grave watching me do this. Okay, so I stripped the wires using this guy. And here's something I learned at the BBC. So it's why do you cut the earth or ground wire insulation off longer than the live and neutral? That's because if somebody pulls on the cord and pulls out the live and neutral, the ground or earth wire will probably still stay in the plug. I don't know if you agree with that. By the way, I cut these really too long. That's way too long. You need to be about half that length, but that's because I'm not an electrician. But if you want a semi-professional tool that electricians really recommend and use, buy this yellow submarine. Not a sponsor. Jokari. It's the wiring shield cutting tool. I recommend it. And who's in the cutting room today? Well, we have Corbet. Say hi, Corbet. Hi, Corbet. Corbet's just come in because he's a little tired. And this, of course, is Professor Simon's editing studio. And who's this? It must be Wallace is here too. Say hi, Wallace. Oh, he's shy. All right. So thank you so much for supporting me and the channel. It really, really means a lot to me, and it's the only way I can actually make these films. Stay safe, stay tuned, and most of all, keep it real, because the truth is out there.